Yo, what is up guys, Nick back with another video, and today I got another live cop for you guys. It is Supreme Week 6. Now before we get into that, I didn't get to make a video yesterday, so I'm super sorry about that, explaining the drop list. So right now I'm going to go ahead and go over some of the items that I liked from this drop list just really quick. I did like the Illusion coin bank, so that was pretty cool. Drops by Jay didn't really release this like as soon as it came out, because like when all the other stuff came out, it was really late. I think it was like 3 o'clock in the morning when he released that there was a coin bank that was coming out, and it is really small, maybe the size like that big, not even, maybe 2 inch by 2 inch by 2 inch, which is kind of crazy for 24 bucks it is. But another item that we had, it was the TVT. Now these are the spring tees for 2018. I think there was 4 of them. We have the detail TV t-shirt along with the diamonds t-shirt that came in a variety of colors, along with the we got another one, I think I'm Forenza, I think I'm pronouncing that right, but Forenza tee, and they came in a whole lot of colors as well. And we have the ladybug tee, and that was the majority of the items that came out that were pretty decent. So I just going to go ahead and show you guys a little unboxing from Supreme week 5, I'm pretty sure it is. So without any further ado, don't forget to smack that subscribe button. Like I said, I was trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the Supreme Spring Summer 2018 season, so please help me with that goal, and let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing and the live cop.
Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust, tell me you're on my side. Are you down for the ride? It's not easy with someone to catch my...
Alrighty guys, so I'm just going to do the unboxing really quick. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. I did get my other stuff in from week 5 it was. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. I'm pretty sure this is the pale purple Supreme t-shirt, and yes it is. We got it right here. It's a small box logo Supreme tee. It's pretty nice. I'm going to open that in just a second. Let's see if we got any stickers in here that are of value, and yes we do have some stickers. And pretty bummed we just got 2 BOGOs. Really hoping that we would get some of the Fear of the Black Planet if they did have any left over, since this was the drop that Fear of the Black Planet happened. I'm pretty sure it was. That kind of stinks that we didn't get those stickers, but that's okay. We got 2 BOGOs. Let's go ahead and crack open the pale purple t-shirt. Now I did get this in a size large, and they do run kind of big, so I'm gonna see how it fits. And we just do have some paper right here, and this is what the t-shirt looks like. So we do have the small box logo right here, and it is a patch, so it's not screen printed on, so it's pretty high quality. Really like this. I did get this off Supreme Community Restocks, so shout out to them. And this tag is the premium Supreme tag, not like the graphic logos, because they got a patch on this one, but it is the Supreme size large sewn on the back, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so with that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump in to Supreme Week 6 live cop. Alright guys, so I'm going to put the recording up to the left or the right for you guys, or I don't know which way, but I'm going to put it up for you guys to see. And right now it just turned 11 o'clock. It just loaded up. I got the Illusion coin in the cart, and now at this point I should have just checked out and tried to just get it in my cart and just go along with it, you know what I mean? But then I go back for the TVT, and that was a bad decision because the site is lagging out. The service at my school is terrible, and I'm trying to use a VPN, so it's trying to connect there and everywhere. And I get a try to get a size medium. No, I think it was a size large. Yeah, I do get a size large in the light blue TVT. I add that to my cart. Go to checkout. I use filler. This is my first time using filler, and I just use my face. I push fill up at the top, and then it types everything in. And I do type in my CVV manually, hit remember this address, and then I have read and agree to the terms. And then I do got hit with the CAPTCHA. That's kind of stinks just because I'm not using Google Chrome. I start, and boom, right there, Unfortunately, we cannot process your payment. This could be due to a payment being declined by your card user. Now, I'm pretty sure it did not get declined by my card user, just because I made sure that they wouldn't decline anything from Supreme. But whoops. But anyways, I'm pretty sure that happened just because the sellout times of the TVT were very low. We had, like, I think some of them were 14-second sellout times. I'll put the sellout times of when those items sold out to the side of me. But they sold out pretty fast. I should have just got the coin bank and that was it. But I got too greedy this week. Unfortunately, I did not get anything from this week. But you know, I'm going to be on that Restocks app trying to get those restocks. So hopefully I can get something from there and unbox it for you guys. But anyways, if you guys did like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. But again, it's totally optional. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.